Hello everyone and welcome to V-Throttle. Today we are going to do some experimentation on my motorcycle. So this is the Oxford hot grips. So we are going to install these grips on the Himalayan. This is the BS6 version. I bought it in 2021 and I still have the compass on my motorcycle, although the new one is without the compass. Rest everything is the same. So I think it is as good as new. It has done only 6,000 kilometers on the auto, and let's see how is this going to work. So first we have to remove the original grip that we have removed from here. So this is how the throttle grip is gonna look like. So we have to flatten the surface so that the grip can go easily. This is how you have to shave off the grooves on your grip. So ये यहाँ पे लग चुकी है, अटक नहीं रहा है कहीं पे भी. And this is the unit. इसको मैं अभी ऑन करके दिखाऊंगा. I'll show you how it works. It's a very fairly simple sort of thing that can be installed on any motorcycle. सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक बटन दबाने से आपकी हीटेड ग्रिप्स ऑन हो जाएंगी एंड इसी बटन को दबाते रहने से ऑफ भी हो जाएंगी. The wiring is being connected here and it's been connected to the ignition rather than the battery directly, so it's not going to affect anything. So once this is done, and we'll see if the heated grip is going to work properly or not. So guys, wiring has been completed and now what we'll do is we'll turn on the controller to a 100%. बताना एक बार भाई, गर्म लग रहा है क्या? Is it working?
Perfectly fine.
Perfectly fine. So guys, we have successfully done it, and this is, I guess, first motorcycle in India to have the heated grips on record. I don't know how many people have done it, but I've never seen a video of heated grips being installed in India. And mission successful. I think this is going to work in Leh Ladakh and Manali, and my whole winter is going to go really well. Oh, it's pretty hot now, so I'm going to turn it off. Okay guys, so this was the grip which was installed on my motorcycle. So this is the Oxford hot grip, and this is specifically the adventure grip. You can also choose between sport, cruiser, ATV, adventure, scooter, commuter and touring. Currently this is at 13,000 rupees and we are at Path Pavers. So you can get your grips from Path Pavers, and just give my name and they will not give you any discount. No, I'm kidding. So they will definitely give you something on that. But let's see how it performs on the road once I'll hit the ground, and will definitely bring in the exact review once I go towards Leh Ladakh or Manali this season. So thank you for watching.